Good morning. So today we're going to be looking at adverbs of frequency. So the other day we looked at adverbs of place. This one I believe is probably the most tricky to get your heads around. So far then we've looked at adverbs of manner, so how something is being done, adverbs of time, when something is being done, and adverbs of place, which are where something is being done. Okay, so just have a think. Can you think of any examples for any of them? Okay, so as I said, adverbs of manner show how something is being done. So quickly, carefully, slowly. Adverbs of time show when something is being done. Today, tomorrow. Adverbs of place show where something is being done. Inside, outside, downstairs, upstairs. So the one we've got left is adverbs of frequency. So adverbs of frequency can sometimes be confused with adverbs of time. So we just need to be very careful. So, what do you think then adverbs of frequency might be? If they could be confused with adverbs of time, what might they be? Just have a think for a few seconds. So, adverbs of frequency show how often something happens. So, for example, I go to the shops twice a week. So, the adverb of frequency is twice because it's telling you that you are going twice in 1 week. Okay? So, what I would like you to do now is I would like you to complete these sentences. In order to do it, I want you to think about the question, okay? So, we're talking about going swimming in this first one. So, I would like you to ask yourself, how often do you go swimming? Okay? And that will help you to answer the question. So, for example, I go swimming once a week. I go swimming every day. And these are your adverbs of frequency. For your second one, have a think about how often you go shopping. I go shopping daily. I never go shopping. And this will tell me how often you go shopping. So these are your adverbs of frequency. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so what I would like you to do now then is I would like you to add an appropriate adverb of frequency into these sentences. Here are some examples to help you. So we've got daily, never, often, regularly, every week, hardly ever, and sometimes. Pause the video now and add the appropriate adverb to these sentences. Okay, let's see. So there are many different variations of correct answers here. These are just the ones that I thought of. So I go for a walk daily. I go to the shops often, or you could have had I often go to the shops. I never cycle to work. I always play on the swings, and I like to go swimming every week. Well done if you got some of the adverbs there. Okay, so what I would like you to do now then is I would like you to read the texts below. I would like you to see if you can identify the adverbs of frequency in the text. So, if we go back to the last slide where you had the examples, most of these examples are in that text. Okay, so I want you to identify how often these things happen. Okay, so what I would do on your piece of paper is I would just write the adverbs of frequency. So I'm going to read the text to you first. Even though I am no longer in school, I like to ride my bike regularly. I ride it to the shops that I visit with my family. We only go once a week though, because we shouldn't be going out too much. In my spare time, I often like to play board games with my family because it passes the time. I hardly ever win though. I think I need to keep practicing. So pause the video now and remember you are looking for adverbs that show how often something happens. Good luck. Okay, let's have a look at the answers then. So we've got regularly, once a week, often, and hardly ever. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, These are adverbs that are describing how often something is happening. Regularly might have been one that you may have struggled with a little bit, but the other ones, like once a week, often, hardly ever, we should have seen before. Okay, so for your last task, what I would like you to do now is I would like you to choose 6 topics. The topics are go to the cinema with my friends, eat chocolate cake, visit the Queen in London, play basketball, watch television in the morning, eat my 5 a day, walk to school, enjoy my maths lessons, visit the seaside, and play the piano. So, what I would like you to do is choose 6 of these topics and write me a sentence about them. I'd like you to start the sentence with I. So, for example, I go to the cinema with my friends. And I would like you to add an adverb of frequency in it. So there's 4 here. Oh, sorry, there's not. There's 3 here that you could choose from. So you've got often, sometimes, hardly ever. Or if you can remember any of the other ones that we have used today, you can also use those ones. Okay? Pause the video now and have a go. Good luck.